Did you know you can build a gaming or editing PC that crushes most brand new rigs for half the price? Here's the secret. Stop chasing new parts. The real budget killer builds come from used workstation parts. Old office PCs with Intel i7-8700s, Ryzen 5 3600s, or Xeons can be found dirt cheap. Toss in a mid-range GPU like a GTX 1660 Super or RX 6600, and you've got a beast under $400. Want even cheaper? Grab a Dell Optiplex or HP EliteDesk, drop in more RAM and an SSD. It'll smoke most $700 gaming laptops. The trick is pairing a used CPU and motherboard with a modern GPU. Performance skyrockets, cost plummets. You don't need RGB, you don't need liquid cooling. You just need smart part pairing and a screwdriver. So yeah, skip the flashy ads. The best budget PCs are hiding on eBay, not in the store. Follow for real tech tips that save money and beat the marketing.